Hello, I'm Alan McBride from J&C Cabinets. We're going to be in the Brisbane Home Show. We've been in business here for 30 years, so let me show you around our showroom. At J&C Cabinets we do custom work, so something like this. You've got a Hafele Le Mans, which you can get right into the back of the dead corner with something like that. It comes straight out to show you, to get to it. Slip it back in. Closes nice and gently, and that's where your pots and pans are, right at the back there now. With the dead space at the back of your servery, we can do little cabinets like this, out of wood, hideaway alcohol, glasses, or you can put it even into a bar, which works well. Reason why we do custom work, to help the people out what they want. Another clever storage from Hafele is a tandem pantry. Pantry comes out straight out from the back, which when you close the doors, the pantry shelving goes to the back. When you pull it open, they come straight back out again. You have the wire look in the chrome, or you can have the flat look. The actual shelving is connected to the doors, so when the door closes, it goes right to the back as well. 30 years we've been custom making cabinets. Little ideas like this that we have. Little hidden door to walk into a pantry. If you need any inspiration or any ideas, come and see us at the home show.